Hello and welcome to Syed Raza Tech Craft. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office on your PC without using any cracks, without using any third-party websites. So in order to do this, you need to search for PowerShell on your PC. Click on it and select Run as Administrator. Once you are inside the PowerShell, you need to write down this command IEXIRM setup.installoffice.org. Once you'll enter this command in the PowerShell, hit enter. So you will see this interface in front of you. Now the first thing you need to do is click on remove all. Once you click it, it will remove any of the product that has been already installed on your system. After removing everything from your system, you can choose your architecture from here, 32 or 64. You can select which license type you want, and either you want to install directly or you want to download the Office. And this option gives you the choice of language. Once you select appropriate options from here, the next you need to just simply select the version of Office and click submit, and it will install the Microsoft Office on your computer without having to go through any of the third-party websites or any of the cracks. This is the legit way and is 100% available for everyone. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.